Alright, it's gonna be our first time going over the new bridge in the new truck. We're gonna check it out. The old bridge is still there, as you can tell. Look how smaller it is compared to the other bridge. It's a big difference. This is the baby bridge. So this is Corpus Christi. Here we go. So the other one is closed completely down now, right? You can't go in there at all? Got it in cruise control with the car and assistant braking in front of us, so they can tell it's going down slower because the car is going slower. Oh cool, we need to check those out. Go eat there. Alright, here we go. This is like one of the best features ever, is that stopping in front of you. Here we go. Oh, you go to the next one. It's all copyrighted free. There we go. Go on the ride. As you can tell, the other bridge is ready. We're not even halfway, and the other bridge is ready. You can't even see it no more. Wow, it looks like we're going to the sky. Now the other day, somebody tried to climb this and got stuck. They couldn't get down, so they had to go rescue him. Idiot. You can actually walk it. You can walk it. You want to walk it? No? Alright, I'm using still the cruise control. Look at it. Wow, man. Looks like you're going all the way to heaven. Woo! This is high. Look how high we are. See, I like this because I could turn and look if I want to and know that it's braking in front of me already. Look at that. You can't even see the other bridge at all. You can't see it at all. That's crazy. We're so high. You can't even see the Waterburger field yet. They're like super high. See, you can walk it right here. You can walk it. See it? Well, there it is. The new bridge. You start right here. I think over here is when it comes to the gate, but you start way down here. We are going to climb it. Look, somebody's climbing it. Somebody's climbing it. Oh, awesome. Let's go. You don't want to climb it today? Maybe after lunch we'll climb it. Work those calories off. Work those calories off. Might check it out. We'll see what's up. But there you go. That's a new bridge. A lot of this whole area is new. Yeah, just wanted to give you a little look of the new truck going over the bridge. That's it. Not bad. What'd y'all think? What y'all think about that bridge? I think it's one of the biggest bridges, right? I think it's one of the biggest bridges in America. America. Yep. Awesome. Alright, we're going back over the bridge, but the opposite way of it, giving you both angles from the bridge. I wonder if we can see where you can walk at, where we can walk. Right there, maybe? Right there? Is that like the entrance? No. Oh, right there. Wherever that ends. Oh, it's pretty far. You got, oh, right there. You go right there. You want to go walking? See anybody? You got the kids? Oh, you can get on through there. That's the old bridge. You tell the little bitty bridge. Not to this one. Oh, there's somebody walking. Never seen so many people walking on the bridge now. It's like the same guy from earlier. He barely coming back. Took him on this whole trip. Alright, there you go. Wow, check it out. Alright, let's see what we got. Go up there. Damn. There it is. You can see it perfect now. Woo! Flying. Oh, look, there's people right there. I wonder if we could come all the way now. Yeah, down now. Remember, because it was blocked out for a while?
Yeah, no, I think we can.
Oh, wow, you could go all the way. Maybe that's why it took him forever. He did it all the way back and forth. Wow. So now you can come over here. I wonder if there's a way to get out from over here, though. The truck is hauling ass behind. Oh, shit. Alright. The car was hauling ass, a truck. I don't see where the... Oh, here it is. There's that... where you can get on to walk it. I don't know where you'll park at, but... Oh, it has it blocked off. I don't know. But there you go. They're the opposite side of it.